Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae, and in this episode I'm going to be redoing my fall look that I did in my last video in this episode. So if you would like to see me redo it, keep watching. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and give this video a thumbs up. I also want you to share this video, okay, because I went out today and I purchased a new sponge. It's not a beauty blender, but it almost was looking like a beauty blender. You know, it's a little bit darker, but this is the e.l.f. Total. It's the e.l.f. Total face sponge, and it was looking pretty good to me. Like, sometimes you can eyeball things and just kind of get an idea of what you think it may feel like. But I was like, hold on, this sponge look like it's, you know, it looks like a pretty good sponge. So I went ahead and picked it up. I went ahead and I wet it, and I also wet original beauty blender. And in comparison, this is feeling pretty good, but we won't know until I actually use it to blend out my makeup. So if you would like to see me do this fall look, recreate my fall look, keep watching. So this is my completed look, and I'm a lot happier than I was with my last look. I feel like I took a little bit more time with this one. I mean, it looks a little better than me. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty satisfied with it. I'll have to say about this sponge, this elf sponge, like I'm going back to the store to buy at least 2 more. Like what I noticed about the sponge is that it doesn't absorb so much product, which is a good thing for me, because sometimes like the beauty blender and just some of the other sponges that I've used in the past, they can absorb a lot of product, and I kind of feel like this elf sponge does not absorb a lot of product. So I'm definitely going to go back to the store, if not tonight, tomorrow, and get at least 2 more of these sponges. And I also, like, I recommend this sponge. Like, it's only $4. This is the sponge right here. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, elf did they thing on this one. Like, listen, go buy one. I promise, $4, you're not at any loss if you don't like it. So anyway, this is my new fall look, because today is fall. And if you would like to see any more looks, leave a comment down below. I'm still trying to work on it. Anyway, so before you go, make sure you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. Alright, so this concludes this episode, and see you guys later. Bye.